Did you know the iQOO 15 features a 120Hz refresh rate display? That means everything you see on screen is smoother than ever, making scrolling and gaming feel super responsive. The iQOO 15 is making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. This device is packed with features that are sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. From its sleek design to its powerful performance, the iQOO 15 is definitely worth checking out. What really sets it apart, though, is its ability to balance high-end specs with a price tag that won't break the bank. iQOO has been making a name for itself as a manufacturer that's not afraid to push the boundaries of innovation. With a history of releasing devices that offer a lot of bang for your buck, iQOO has built a reputation for being a brand to watch. The iQOO 15 is the latest in a line of devices that have been turning heads, and it's clear that the company has been listening to feedback from users. As a relatively new player in the smartphone market, iQOO has had to work hard to establish itself as a major contender. But with devices like the iQOO 15, it's clear that the company is here to stay. By offering a unique blend of style, performance, and affordability, iQOO is giving users a compelling reason to consider its devices. iQOO's commitment to innovation is evident in the iQOO 15's impressive specs. The device boasts a large, high-resolution display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful processor that's capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. And with a generous amount of RAM and storage, you can run multiple apps at once without experiencing any lag. The iQOO 15 also features a high-quality camera system that's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. With advanced features like optical zoom and portrait mode, you can take your mobile photography to the next level. And when it comes to battery life, the iQOO 15 has got you covered, with a large battery that can last all day and then some. But that's not all. The iQOO 15 also features some truly unique technology. For example, it has an advanced cooling system that helps to keep the device running smoothly, even during intense gaming sessions. And with support for fast charging, you can quickly top up your battery when you're on the go. In terms of camera quality, the iQOO 15 really shines. The device features a quad camera setup with a high-resolution primary sensor, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto lens. This means you can capture a wide range of shots, from sweeping landscapes to detailed close-ups. The iQOO 15's battery life is also worth mentioning. With a large 4,500 mAh battery and support for fast charging, you can use your device all day without worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need to charge up, you can do so quickly and easily. When it comes to performance, the iQOO 15 delivers. The device is powered by a fast and efficient processor, and it has a generous amount of RAM and storage. This means you can run demanding apps and games without experiencing any lag or slowdown. But what about the display? The iQOO 15 features a stunning high-resolution display that's perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. With a high refresh rate and support for HDR, you can enjoy a truly immersive viewing experience. The iQOO 15's design is also worth mentioning. The device has a sleek and premium look, with a durable glass back and a sturdy metal frame. And with a range of color options to choose from, you can pick the one that best fits your style. Of course, no device is perfect, and the iQOO 15 has its pros and cons. One of the main advantages of the device is its affordability. It offers a lot of bang for your buck. But some users may find the design a bit bland, and the battery life could be better. In terms of performance, the iQOO 15 is a real powerhouse. The device is capable of handling demanding tasks with ease, and it's perfect for gaming or video editing. But some users may find the user interface a bit cluttered, and the device could benefit from a few more software features. When it comes to the camera, the iQOO 15 is a real mixed bag. While it's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos, it's not without its flaws. Some users may find the autofocus a bit slow, and the low-light performance could be better. But overall, the iQOO 15 is a great device that's well worth considering. It's affordable, powerful, and feature-packed. What more could you want? Of course, there are a few drawbacks to consider, but overall, the iQOO 15 is a great choice. So how does the iQOO 15 stack up against similar smartphones on the market? In terms of specs and features, it's definitely a contender. The device offers a lot of bang for your buck, and it's a great option for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone without the high-end price tag. Compared to other devices in its class, the iQOO 15 stands out for its unique blend of style, performance, and affordability. It's a great option for anyone looking for a smartphone that's a cut above the rest, but doesn't want to break the bank. In terms of weaknesses, the iQOO 15's main drawback is its lack of brand recognition. As a relatively new player in the smartphone market, iQOO still has some ground to cover when it comes to building trust with consumers. But despite this, the iQOO 15 is definitely worth considering. It's a great device that's well worth the investment, and it's a testament to iQOO's commitment to innovation and quality. I've had the chance to use the iQOO 15 for a while now, and I've got to say, it's been a real game changer. One of my favorite things about the device is its camera system, which has allowed me to capture some truly stunning photos and videos. I've also been impressed by the device's performance, which has been smooth and seamless even when running demanding apps and games. And with a large battery that can last all day, I don't have to worry about running out of juice. Of course, no device is perfect, and I've had a few issues with the iQOO 15. For example, I've found the user interface to be a bit cluttered at times, and the device could benefit from a few more software features. But overall, I'm really impressed with the iQOO 15. It's a great device that's well worth considering, and I'm excited to see what the future holds for iQOO. So what's my final verdict on the iQOO 15? I'd give it a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's a great device that's well worth the investment. I think it would be perfect for anyone looking for a high-end smartphone without the high-end price tag. The iQOO 15 is a great option for anyone who wants a powerful, feature-packed device that's easy on the wallet. And with its unique blend of style, performance, and affordability, it's a great choice for anyone looking for a smartphone that's a cut above the rest. If you're in the market for a new smartphone, I highly recommend checking out the iQOO 15. It's a great device that's well worth considering, and I'm sure you won't be disappointed. And if you want to learn more about the iQOO 15 or other smartphones, be sure to check out my other videos. I've got a ton of content on the latest and greatest devices, and I'd love to have you join the conversation. You can also share your thoughts and experiences with the iQOO 15 in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and see what you think about this amazing device. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on the latest smartphones and tech trends. And if you're looking for more content like this, be sure to check out my channel. I've got a ton of videos on the latest smartphones, gadgets, and tech trends.